Have you ever heard someone say, you need an entire acre to feed your family? Or maybe, you can grow all your food right on your balcony. So which one is it? And more importantly, how big of a garden do you really need to feed your family? Let's bust this myth and dig into the dirt. Let's start with the basics. If you're trying to grow enough food for a family of 4, you're looking at around 8,000 calories a day. That's 2,000 per person. But we're not just talking about calories. You need nutrients, protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and variety. Nobody wants to eat only potatoes. So what does that actually look like in plants? A day's food might include a few servings of leafy greens, some beans, or legumes, root veggies like carrots or potatoes, and maybe some fruit for natural sugars. It's not just quantity, it's balance. Now, how much space do you really need for all of that? Well, it depends on how you garden. Let's break it into 3 styles. First, traditional row gardening. Think of long stretches of crops in open land. Beautiful, but not very space efficient. You might need 15,000 square feet for a full year food supply. Second, raised bed gardening. Tighter spacing, better soil, higher yield. Around 4,000 to 6,000 square feet could feed a family, with the right crop choices. Third, vertical or hydroponic gardening. If you're short on land, this is where things get clever. Smart stacking, quick crop rotation. You might only need 400 to 800 square feet to grow a significant portion of your food. So, do you need land? Yes, but maybe not as much as you think. Okay, let's talk about what you're growing. Some crops are heavy hitters. Others? Not so much. Here's a truth bomb. Tomatoes. Delicious, but low calorie. Lettuce. Fast growing, but barely fills you up. Potatoes. The real MVP. Dense, filling, and high yield. So you've got to prioritize. If you want to feed your family, grow crops that give you the most per square foot. Like potatoes, beans, zucchini, kale, and yes, a few tomatoes for flavor. Want a shortcut? Think roots, legumes, leafy greens, and fast growers. Let's look at some real-world examples. Meet Maya. She grows herbs and salad greens on her city balcony. It's small, but she saves money and eats fresh every day. Dan? He has a suburban backyard with raised beds. He grows 60% of his family's vegetables in about 1,000 square feet. And Rosa, she's in the countryside. With half an acre, smart planning, and some chickens, she's almost completely self-sufficient. There's no one-size-fits-all. But there is a spectrum, and it starts smaller than you think. So, can you feed your family with a garden? Yes. But it depends. It depends on how much time you have, what crops you choose, how well you preserve your harvest, and how smart your layout is. You can grow a meaningful amount of food in as little as 1,000 to 2,000 square feet. If you focus on high-yield crops and seasonal planning, you'll probably still visit the grocery store, but you might cut your food bill in half, and that's no small thing. So, what's the myth? It's not that gardening won't feed your family. It's that land is the only thing that matters. Because with the right mindset and the right strategy, even a small garden can grow something big. Don't forget, subscribe for more deep dives into what's real and what's just greenwashed. This is MindPeel, where curiosity digs deeper.